Shop Miss A haul for today's video. Starting off with these really pretty cubic zirconia earrings that I'm wearing right here. They are clip. They were only $1, so I was so happy to find those because I do not have pierced ears. And I also bought another pair like the ones that I bought in one of my last hauls. And these are also clip, and they are like the faux diamond look. And then I bought this nail polish in the shade Coral Reef. I think this is going to be pretty shade for summer. It's kind of a, yeah, coral, so it definitely sounds like summer to me. And then I bought this lip gloss. I accidentally ended up buying two of the same, but I'm pretty happy with it, so I think I'll definitely be using it all up, so it's nice to have two. And then that was in the shade Hard Candy, and then I bought this one that is in the shade Posh. It's really pretty shimmery pink, and then these are the diamond lip glosses, and then this is the AOA brand, and that's like a really pretty kind of like a coppery pink, and that is in the shade Cosmo. Then I also, this is what started the whole order, as I saw this available online, and it is this beautiful rose gold mini brush. This was so pretty and an incredible deal for only $1. And then I've been wanting one of these for a while. This was also only $1. It's one of those magnetic palettes, so you can stick your single eyeshadows in it. And I do have a few single ones that I purchased from Shop Miss A previously, and I do have some other ones in my collection, so that will be really cool. And then I thought this seemed like a cool item here. It's this tiny little like lip balm applicator, so this way you don't have to stick your finger in your lip balms. And I do have like a lot of tubs and jars of lip balm, so hopefully that will work out well. I'm excited to give that a try. And then this, I think, was $1.55. It's a little suction cup heart-shaped silicone mat for washing your brushes, your makeup brushes. So I'm hoping this will help clean my brushes even better than I usually do. I think that one is really cute to add to my collection as well. So that is everything for today's Shop Miss A haul. Let me know, what was your favorite item? And then one more little item that I almost forgot, this pack of Spanish playing cards. These were also only $1, so these are going to be fun to try out.